Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you an advanced technique when using your command history. You can expand your history substitution before you hit enter, which is great if you need to make slight changes first. Let's jump right in. If we type the history command, we get the list of commands we've recently ran. But instead of up arrowing all the way to get to where we need, you can copy and paste it, especially if it's a long command. But we can do better. Just type the exclamation mark, then the number right here. The first thing it does is expand your command substitution and shows you what it's going to run. Then it immediately runs it. But what if you need to reuse a command, but make a slight change first? You type the reference like normal, but then you run Control, Alt, E as in echo. So this expands your substitution, but doesn't run it. Now you can make your adjustment. Now here's a little quick bonus trick. If you forget to add a sudo to any command from your history, just type sudo first, then the reference number. And since we know what this resolves to, we can just hit enter. But if you want to confirm it, like I do, we can use our shortcut again. Control Alt E. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.